for every tab.
I want to know.
Or like a very low percent, and then there's one. There it goes.
What I want to know is, how did Sean mount GPNVGs onto a boonie hat?
What? Fuck yeah, I have no clue. The game let me do it, so I did it. I feel like they just have like a webbing head rig.
Oh, not only that, you're also wearing regular glasses, but the glasses are through. Okay, that's great.
Yeah, I have sunglasses. I have aviators, I believe.
You're wearing sunglasses while wearing GPNVGs, Sean.
Yes.
This makes total sense. Oh shit, I gotta take the point and we're gonna time out.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, hurry your slow ass up, guy.
I fucking...
Not you, the cripple.
Oh, Sean.
I'm
Really?
Using incendiary.
No, did you fuck? Oh, you fucked me, sir.
Hopefully with consent.
Nope.
I can't even, like, now I have to go the long way around because he fucking threw fire on the main doorway.
I walked in just fine.
Community server. Maximum players.
Oh, well, there it is. Okay.
Fucking idiot.
So, turns out... Oh my god.
Shit!
Wait, did I just carry that? Without realizing?
Yeah, kind of. Barely.
Barely, yes, but I did.
Okay, there we go. I am trying out mouse and keyboard, trying to get myself used to it.
Hey.
Very proud of you, William, for not shooting me coming in.
I was thinking about it. I really wanted to.
What are you trying to
Switching.
do? Nobody's watching the fucking stairs!
Oh,
For switching, fire rate.
X.
X.
I don't know. I use shotguns.
See what happens when you fucking watch the stairs? That's 6 kills.
8. Maybe 9.
Maybe 9, I can't tell. It was a lot.
There is a single sprinkler going off, and that's where my Molotov landed. It went right out. Fuck that.
Dennis.
Sean, did you intentionally make your character look like Marlon?
No.
I don't know where that is. Oh.
Yeah, I thought maybe it would make me better at the game. Turns out that's just a Marlin thing. Oh fuck! Dude, you walked
Yo,
right in
wow!
front of
Sean! Sean! There's always somebody here. Always. I fucking learned, bitch. Jesus.
Okay. Hold on a second.
You okay there, William?
Just had a moment.
You...
Reloading weapon.
You firing that? I got like PTSD from like Black Hawk Down, and I went to the other like doorway.
Man, tell you. I swear to God, you do
Oh, this really? From that distance?
From downtown.
From downtown.
It's coming in.
Right there, right there.
Oh fuck! I never reloaded the mag. Fuck! Come on! Come on! Fuck!
Oh.
Fuck.
Why do I not have a? What is?
Wait, you're
what's going on?
T-posing. You're T-posing.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Run around. Hold on, run
I don't even
around.
have a-
He's T-posing. Look up. Hold on, look
Oh
up.
my god.
Can you look up?
I'm gonna record this because I can't see what's going. I don't have a gun.
I
No,
got
I'm
you.
recording this right now. Alright.
Stop
run at the enemy. Wait, do you
I
have
can-
a knife
Oh
at
my
least?
god, he teases
No, I
every time
I have nothing.
Okay, you're the scarecrow then. Run at the enemy.
Alright.
I literally have nothing. I can your lasers. I can see your lasers on my screen, like as if you're pointing it in my eye.
Body block.
That's awesome.
I don't have
Okay.
anything.
Marlon, you are the human meat
Shield.
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 Go.
Go.
What are you guys
Just
playing?
want a gun. I can't even. I can't even sprint.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Is somebody recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys playing?
Okay.
Yeah.
That wall.
So when you were shooting the guy and he shot an RPG at you and
Oh,
exploded
when
in the wall right
Marlon
in
and I
front
were
of
in fucking ministry.
you? Yeah.
Hey, William, move to your right. William, move to your right. William.
Hold on.
William.
Yep. Oh, Jesus.
Got him.
Holy shit! Yo, that dude had an arm. Whoa, shit! I didn't even know there was a staircase there.
Oh, goddamn.
No! Don't shoot through the fucking door! It's me! It's me!
If he did kill you, that would have to be a nice dick moment.
Hey, I think I just... Oh...
Not really, but what did it?
That's bullshit! I just put incendiary on the point and it disappeared.
Tossing an incendiary.
Is it on the point now?
I think so. Yeah. I saw Chris peeking up like, I don't know, should I look?
What the?
Chris.
Careful with.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, the disc is in front of me! I can't fucking blow it up if it's... Oh, fuck.
Gunner down.
Got it.
Fucker.
Is he up here?
Should
Nope.
be.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, Kyle.
No, all good. All good.
You were right behind two others.
Yeah, I was hunting them.
Fuck!
Oh shit!
I was right in the middle of changing weapons.
I guess I'm covering that room now.
Reloading.
Oh shit.
Another diamond disappears from the map.
The objective.
Why didn't this deploy me?
Doing a loadout.
Oh, Dennis has a hard-on with this map.
You have no idea.
What do you fucking mean?
I think he does. That's why he said that.
Sean, do you just say words?
Yes. But no, like... Fuck. Fuck. Thank you.
No, Sean!
Oh, you're kidding me.
How did you not...
There was people on the right.
Hey, look, you died via LCT G3.
Fuck. I really hope that was within the last minute.
I hope you caught Clement.
Also, why am I the only one alive? I don't like this.
Kim's in the background going, "Damn, dude, no chill."
Fucking...
You know what's the problem with I'm the last one alive with you?
That's been like this whole round, Sean.
Yes, I know. It's a problem.
I don't want to go that way. Hold on, I have an idea. What if maybe this attracts him?
Bro,
Okay,
that was
that
like,
actually-
no way.
Worked way better than I...
There.
They're literally screaming right now in my fucking living room.
Well,
That
you
did
know,
not... Oh, it did!
yay!
We're secure.
Oh! Shotgun in the room.
No, that was an SVD.
Oh, it felt like a fucking shotgun.
I'm gonna throw a grenade in there first. This never ends badly. Oh fuck!
Echo. Right, let's move.
Chris, pistol. Chris, your fucking pistol.
Nah, I knew he had it.
We took Echo. I'm up. Area clear.
Oh, have more faith in me than I did.
Attack incoming.
Do you have a suppressor on your fucking shot? Go!
Holy shit!
Ah, that's not the one I killed.
I'm gonna have PTSD from that.
On what, grenades?
On the flame grenades. It's pretty fucking ridiculous.
It's a fucking flame grenade, bro. Oh my god!
Just... How did that not get you?
I don't know.
I do not.
Alright, remind me next paycheck, I'll get you something.
Fuck the shit. Are you shooting at me?
No! Why do you think I'm shooting at you? There's a motherfucker on the other side of the fence!